if you allow me, I want to advise my brother, President William Ruto. I tried to advise you, but you did not listen. I told you not to touch the mountain. You touched. You know what has happened. I told you not to touch the payslip. You touched the payslip. You know what has happened. Mr. President, you are demeaning the presidency. The presidency is a symbol of national unity. It's a very dignified office. When you resort to abuses and insults, abusing the people of Kenya, and you are president, you are demeaning that office. I appreciate that you are very unhappy that things are not working out. I do understand as a leader that many Kenyans have deserted you. I appreciate that you have messed the economy and you are stuck. But that does not allow you to demean that office